In this video, we will review how to submit refinement scans on an existing patient on a self-planned case. We recommend that you have your new scans exported out of your scanning software and saved onto your computer. It is important to create the refinement in the same patient as the original to tie it to any active pricing bundle. Please avoid creating a new case or patient in uDesign, as it will not link the new refinement scan to the patient's previous orders. As long as you have ordered or printed any aligners on an active or completed treatment plan, you will be able to submit a new refinement. Begin by finding your patient on your patient list. Once opened, click on the Edit toggle in the top left corner. By selecting Course Refinement on the lower right-hand side, you will be able to upload your new scans. Note that if the initial case was submitted to uAssist, you will see two options on a previous screen: self-planned refinement or uAssist refinement. In this case, we are doing a self-planned refinement. Select Upper Arch and import your new scan. Select Lower Arch and import your new scan. Select Continue. At this point, you will want to process your case through segmentation as you would any other self-planned case. Note, if you close out of the case at any point throughout the segmentation process, the new refinement scan will not be saved. Once you have reached the treatment planning screen, you are ready to treatment plan your refinement. If you uploaded incorrect scans, you can delete your refinement by selecting the X next to Refinement 1. This will delete both scans and take you back to your original treatment plan.